Okay, so the Tau Tau is completely dead. I rode it home last night, parked it right here, and came out this evening, and I had to cycle the key a bunch of times. It showed me the gauge lights once, but won't start. Appears to have no power whatsoever. Yeah, no power at all. So let's figure out what this is all about. I think it's this one. The battery and the ignition coil are under here. These bolts they come with are really bad. That bolt's not going to stay in there. It's foolish. Alright. Pop the pin. Where's the other one? Alright. First diagnostic procedure. Turn the ignition on with the wires. Alright. The negative battery terminal was sparking and then it came on. The negative battery terminal is loose. I have not touched it since I purchased the bike, but I know who put it together. Alright, that's going to be a Phillips and a 10. First things first, since we're here, battery test. Make sure those are in the right holes so I don't electrocute myself. Oh, what kind of weirdo actually puts the caps on their voltmeter pins? This camera work is going to be nauseating. See what I put through my hand. Fascinating. Alright. This is hard to do with one hand. 13.08. So the battery is fully charged. Take the key out of the ignition and put it in the gas cap for safety, so it can't accidentally get bumped and turned on while my fingers are touching electrical parts. Positive is tight. Negative is loose, but not loose enough that it should be having a problem. I might tape that over so it's not... This is the ignition coil. As you can see, it just kind of comes off. I've been recommended by YouTube videos about this bike to get a more reliable replacement. Those are both on tight. But these boots don't actually cover them up or anything if water is really splashing around in here. Plus it just kind of, you know, What's this? Huh. Something supposed to go there. Alright, so I know these are 10, these screws. So that must be 10 or an 11. Wrenchies. The Z's still taken apart. I just got everything set up to balance them in the morning before work tomorrow. Well, I didn't check to see if the 10 was actually in here, but look, it's a 10. God darn it! Where did I use the 10? Not on the back, not on the toe. Oh, good. This is all a lot more difficult with one hand. And to top it off, I'm not actually doing a very good job holding the camera. This is a 10. The only ratchet wrench I have left is a 10. I got these when I was 15 years old as a gift. And the 10 is the only one left, I think. Okay. Yeah. That can probably see me. Ja. I'm a professional. Just go berserk on this thing. See if it stays tight. Just go fucking nuts on it. Oh, there's the first mosquito. Hi. Yeah, let's just go nuts on this one too. Short it to the gas tank. Ruin my night. That was pretty weak. I'm definitely, yeah. As you can see, the battery and the ignition coil just chill out on the side of the bike. Top level design. revved up, a little weak. 14.7 is ideal. Feel the exhaust in the milk crate. Pop the pins in. Perfecto. It is now temporarily a working motorcycle. I need to get rubber gaskets for these. It's a shame I don't know anywhere where you can get a whole bunch of Tao hardware. This fell off. Duralast. I take the good ones to work.